Let's do some verb juggling and accelerate your fluency. Beschreiben is to describe. Beschreiben. How would you say I describe? Ich beschreibe. How would you say I describe the product? Ich beschreibe das Produkt. How would you say I describe the way? Ich beschreibe den Weg. You see, den Weg. Beschreiben is an accusative verb. It triggers accusative endings and articles. Der Weg is actually masculine, the way. But used in the accusative, it's den Weg, because the accusative masculine article is den. You remember, all the articles are the same in the accusative, the same as in the nominative. The standard articles, let's say, der, die, das, except the masculine one. Instead of being der, it's den. Ich beschreibe den Weg. I describe the way. How would you say I describe my way? Ich beschreibe meinen Weg. How would you say I describe your way? Ich beschreibe deinen Weg. You see, no matter if we use meinen, deinen, the ending is always the same. En, the same ending that we also have in the accusative masculine article. Den. Ich beschreibe den Weg, meinen Weg, deinen Weg. How would you say I describe now the product? Ich beschreibe jetzt das Produkt. How would you say I describe to you the way? Ich beschreibe dir den Weg. Dir is to you. It's the dative pronoun. To you. Dir in German. Ich beschreibe dir den Weg. How would you say, can you to me describe the way? Kannst du mir den Weg beschreiben? You see, kannst du mir den Weg beschreiben? Can you to me the way describe? Here we have two verbs. Kannst, beschreiben. So whenever we have two verbs, you remember, the second one is kicked to the very end. And the first one, kannst, können, what you can do, is a so-called modal verb, so that the second one is in the infinitive. Kannst du mir den Weg beschreiben? And since it's a yes-no question, we start with a verb. We don't have this do you like in English. So, well, in this case we would say, can you describe me the way? But oftentimes in English you ask a yes-no question with do you, does he. In German we start directly with the verb when we make a yes-no question. Kannst du mir den Weg beschreiben? How would you say, can you describe to me the way to Basel? Kannst du mir den Weg nach Basel beschreiben? How would you say, can you describe to me the way to Luzern? Kannst du mir den Weg nach Luzern beschreiben? How would you say, can you to me describe the way to Bern? Kannst du mir den Weg nach Bern beschreiben? How would you say in a formal way, can you, sir, describe to me the way to Basel? Können Sie mir den Weg nach Basel beschreiben? How would you say, can you describe to me the product? Kannst du mir das Produkt beschreiben? How would you say, can you, sir, describe to me the product? Können Sie mir das Produkt beschreiben? How would you say, I describe to you how to drive to Basel? Ich beschreibe dir, wie man nach Basel fährt. So you see, ich beschreibe dir, I describe to you, wie man nach Basel fährt. How one to Basel drives. How, wie, introduces here so-called subclause so that the verb is kicked to the end. How one to Basel drives. Wie man nach Basel fährt. Ich beschreibe dir, wie man nach Basel fährt. So you see, in German we express it this way. So how would you say, I describe to you how to drive to Bern? Ich beschreibe dir, wie man nach Bern fährt. How would you say, I describe to you how to drive to Berlin? Ich beschreibe dir, wie man nach Berlin fährt. Great! Next time we'll go through the verb essen, to eat. Essen, to eat. Like when you say, what do you eat for breakfast? So here's what I want you to do now. Take this verb now and juggle it around. Build just 3 simple sentences, saying them out loud. Just 3 simple sentences. This will take you just 1 minute. In the next episode, you'll hear my take on this verb. So talk to you soon. Bis bald. Are you a busy professional who neither have the time, nor the patience, nor the energy to attend traditional language school classes at night or weekends? Then you're in the right place. Click the link in the description below and get my free German podcast course that will help you boost your confidence in speaking in less than 3 months, spending just 10 minutes a day while commuting to work.